It's time for the wrap, the Asian chicken wrap, that is. I set myself a goal for the month of February to make 29 uniquely different meals using the rotisserie chicken. Hopefully, you've been watching along. After I share how we make this wrap, stay tuned, and I have polled my family, and you might be interested to know which meals were their absolute favorites since they actually got to taste all of them. Each day during the month of February, I will be using the $4.99 Costco rotisserie chicken as a springboard for a wide variety of easy, inexpensive, delicious meals that are generally very healthy. Tune in every day this month for a new recipe. This is a versatile meal. It can be either a salad or a wrap. So if I'm making a salad, I'm going to put all these ingredients together. But for a wrap, I'm going to start off with, here's my shredded cabbage, some finely chopped cilantro, and some, I just use a grater to grate some carrots. Now my other vegetables that are options here, this is my cucumber, and you can see how pretty that is. And you can get shredded cucumber by taking your cucumber and just using a vegetable peeler on it. I have some thinly sliced red pepper, some onions, and some snow peas. And then here, of course, is my shredded rotisserie chicken. The dressing is just white wine vinegar or rice wine vinegar, some fish sauce, some sesame oil, sugar. The Asian food likes the sugar. I'm using some garlic paste, but you can use fresh garlic. That is a Thai chili, and some peanut butter, and just shake that up. And I'm making a small enough quantity that I can use the whole thing without having, here comes Kirby. That's tasty. For a salad, I would simply add all the vegetables, the chicken, the dressing, toss it, and call it a salad. But today, I'm going to just make a wrap out of this. I'm going to take a bite of that and see if it needs any salt or pepper. I think maybe I'll add a little bit of salt. Toss that together. Now, to make my wrap, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with my salad, chicken, cucumber. For the brave, we'll stick a couple slices of onion on there, some bell pepper, and a few little snow peas. And I can put a little more dressing on top of that. Then I'm going to roll it up. Start by folding up the bottom. And roll it. Now, if I had a big tortilla, I would make a big one, fold in both ends. In the meantime, you can kind of see what's in there, and I'll cut this so you can see what's inside there. Very fresh, tasty wrap. A lot of crunch to it, and it's good with a little bit of the dressing on the side, or a little soy sauce, or anything else you might want to dip it in. And you'll notice the recipe, the quantities are varied, 2 tablespoons to 1/4 cup, that type of thing, so that you can emphasize the flavors that are your favorites. I'm breaking the recipes down into groups. The first group is our soup, how to make a basic broth with the bones from a rotisserie chicken, the Weight Watchers inspired vegetable soup, the creamy tortellini and kale, what I call the catastrophe soup, that's a Mexican vegetable soup, the Thai chicken soup, and the sopa de tortilla, the tortilla soup. Both my husband and my son said, "Oh, this is really hard." I said, "Pick a favorite soup." They absolutely love it every time I make Thai soup, both of them. They both love the tortilla soup, and they both love the creamy tortellini and kale soup. The soup I probably make the most often is the Mexican vegetable soup, but when I make those other three, Those are total hits with my family. I'm not going to do that to you with anything in the future, but that's the one area. And I really think the secret is a good broth. The next category is salads. We have a traditional chicken salad, the Southwest Chipotle style salad, Caesar salad with chicken, the kale and chicken salad, which has apricots and walnuts in it, the caprese green salad with chicken, and a Cobb salad. Daniel's favorite, and we both said exactly the same thing. The kale and chicken salad. I could eat that every day. Ted's favorite is the Cobb salad. How can you go wrong with bacon? Our stews, we had a Brunswick stew, jambalaya, coq au vin, and chicken and dumplings. Probably the winner, unquestionably, Ted's favorite is Brunswick stew. Daniel probably prefers the jambalaya, but if we had to say what was the winner for both of them, Daniel and Ted both love the Brunswick stew, and that is an absolute favorite. We do a lot of Mexican food around here. We have the chicken fajitas, the chicken enchiladas with tomatilla sauce, a traditional bean burrito, the Chipotle-inspired burrito bowl and nachos, and the sliced chicken with a fresh fruit salsa. Absolute favorite is the chicken fajitas. There's the tortilla soup, the Southwest vegetable soup, and the Chipotle-inspired salad are also Mexican, but I've already mentioned them. The sandwiches, we have the grilled chicken with apple and cheese, the pulled chicken on a roll with barbecue sauce, a chicken salad sandwich, and the Asian chicken wrap. The favorite, unquestionably, the favorite sandwich is that grilled chicken with the apple and the cheddar cheese. Surprisingly good sandwich. Don't miss that. Italian, the 2 vinegar chicken, the chicken with pasta and pesto, the garlic pizza, and the creamy tortellini and kale soup. Absolute favorite Italian is the creamy tortellini and kale soup. The French recipes, we have a chicken fricassee and coq au vin. Favorite there, they love the fricassee with all those mushrooms. The Asian, peanut chicken curry, the Thai chicken soup, and the Asian wrap. Ted's favorite is the peanut curry. Daniel's favorite is the Thai soup. Now you know the winners in each category, but what is the overall favorite? It has to be chicken fajitas. On the Stone Cottage Adventures homepage, I have a playlist that's just rotisserie chicken recipes where you can look at each one with very simple titles, and in the description are all the recipes if you don't feel like watching the videos. But thanks for joining us. Let us know in the comments what your favorite thing to do with the rotisserie chicken is. Bye.